Here are two ways in which you can enable the floating window mode, or also known as pop-up view mode, on Samsung phones with Android 16 One UI 8.0. So if you're looking to get this little floating window here for any app that you're viewing that it is compatible with, let's get started. With the latest One UI 8.0 update, you'll now notice that if you are in an app viewing anything that is able to go into the pop-up view mode, if you take your finger and swipe from the top right corner here, which may just take a chance or two, you'll notice when you get this little swipe gesture action here, this is the floating app window view mode here. And once you let it go based on how small or big you let it to be, it will appear like this here. And the thing with that is you are able to actually have video playing apps such as YouTube play while navigating other apps. Okay, so for example, if I go into Chrome now and I'm searching here, I can have my video playing and navigate the full display app. All right, the other way is the longer way, but in case you can't get the hang of the swiping from the top right corner, let's just say you have some apps open up already. Go into the recents view mode like this here. And for every app you have open, you'll notice the app icon up at the top center. Now, when you tap on it, you'll see open in pop-up view mode. That is your floating app window mode here. And once you see that option, that means that app can do that for you. So go ahead and tap on it and you will also get into this floating app window mode. And that is basically it for this video tutorial here. And of course, if this guide helped you out in any way, like and sub.